Hello everyone, this is Daniel and welcome back to another exciting episode of Untitled Chapter. Today I got this. No, it's not a poker card, but rather what's inside it. Check this baby out. It's super slim. This is not a calculator, it's not a MP3 player, it's not a phone, but rather it's all of the above. This is the iFcane card phone. At just $15 this thing looks simply amazing. Let's check it out together and see if this thing can function just as well. We will start by looking at what's inside the package itself. We have a very simple manual. Okay, just a wrapper to wrap the phone, as well as this is a SIM tray remover, as well as a micro USB charging cable. Next, let's take a look at the phone itself. Well, the size wise is very small. As you can see, this is the size comparison from a poker card box. Right, it's very small. I believe it's about, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's about 20 cards. The thickness about 20 poker card thickness equivalent, right? At the front we have a 1-inch screen. Okay, and a speaker right at the top left hand corner. Well, I know 1 inch is very small, but at just $15, I think it's still acceptable. At the front we have the keypad. Okay, we have the traditional keypad as well as some other buttons, directional buttons, pick up call, reject call, and 2 function buttons. On the left, nothing much on the right. At the bottom we have a micro USB charging port, as well as a on-off switch, which you need to on it with this SIM card remover. You're going to push the lever, okay, to one side to on it. At the back we have a simple logo which looks like a Superman logo to me, right? Very cool. And that's it, nothing much. So let's pop this baby up and see what's inside. Okay, you can do so by just flip it this way. Okay. So on the left we have a micro USB card, or micro SD card for you to store photos as well as MP3. Okay, which I copied a few already. Let's put it back in. And on the right it's where you can insert the SIM card. Okay, I believe I've fixed right into position. Let's pop the cover back on and turn on the device. Classic music. Okay, it says searching for network. Okay, finger crossed. Searching for network. No service. Why is that so? No service. You know, I've been trying to do this for quite a while now. In fact, I've been inserting this SIM card multiple times. Yeah, apparently, I don't think it's a problem with the SIM card or the sizes of the SIM card that's not compatible with the phone. I don't think that's a problem. The problem mainly lies, I think, probably the GSM network that's not supported for this phone. I'm using like a LTE network. Probably this thing will only work with 3G or probably 2.5G network, which is something that I don't have, so I can't try it in that sense. But hey, let's look at the other functions of the phone itself. First off, the screens, although it's very small, but it's clear enough. At $15, I'm getting a colored screen. Wow, that's really very good already. A full colored screen, that's very awesome. Menu, let's go through all the menu. Of course, we have names, messaging, call history, settings, my files, multimedia, organizer, user profile, and back to names. Messaging, well, let's try to message someone. by writing a message and just do hello. This is really like a traditional way of sending text. Okay, where you have to press multiple number of times to reach the character that you want. Clear. Okay, what I want to try is really the My Files, because I'm very surprised to even be aware to know that it comes with the ability to read files off SD micro SD card. Okay, let's play something. Okay, and see if it works. It works. It's not very loud, but hey, it works. I also want to take a look at whether this small phone here can actually read my photos. So I copy some photos into the SD card and let's check it out. Oh my god, it's reading it, but it's super tiny. Take a look. It's super tiny. This thing is so small. You can hardly see it. It's really very small. It has FM radio, but when I activate it, it says please plug in your headphone, and no matter how it looks, there's no way for you to plug in a headphone jack. So I'm not sure FM radio how it works. And we have organizer. Oh, we have a Bluetooth. Wow. So let me just try it out. And on my headphone, connected. It will transfer voice to your Bluetooth device. So let's play the music and let's check it out.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Wow, it works. I'm very impressed. The music, it's pumping through very nice. Although the sound quality is on average, but it's good enough if you want to use it for jogging or exercise. So that's very good. Let's see what else do we have. Organizer, we do have, besides the Bluetooth, we have alarm and as well as calendar and calculator. So it's conclusion time. Now I must say, even without the ability to make calls from this device, I still think it's worthwhile at only $15 with just its ability to play MP3 song and pump that song via its Bluetooth capability. It's really amazing. I wasn't expecting to come with Bluetooth. So with that, I'm very impressed, especially it even comes with a colored LCD display, so that's really very good. However, if you are living in a country where this phone is supported, meaning the phone function is supported, then it's really even better, because you can use this as a backup phone, as a spare phone where you are jogging in the gym. You just want to keep your expensive phone back in the safe place, and this is very good because it's affordable. Even if you lose it or break it, it's fine. It's also good for purpose such as you wanted your children to stay contactable. You can pass them this phone, and you don't want to pass them a smartphone, because the smartphone will make them glue their face to the screen, playing games all the time. You don't want that to happen. You just want them to be contactable, reachable. Then this device is very good as well. So all in all, I must say at $15, I think it's a good device to buy. Even though if it doesn't work well, then it's just $15. Come on, yeah, I think it's very neat and cool and very slim. And look at this, it's just so beautiful. So I suppose it's time to say goodbye now. If you like my video, do me a favor, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can be informed of more videos like this. This is what I do. I help our viewers to seek out amazing and yet affordable product from China. A lot of China product sucks, but there are few that are really very good, and that's my role, that's my job. I help you find those out. So do subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.